Rivers APC accuses court of descending into the arena of politics with order against pro-Wike lawmakers. The Rivers State High Court in Port Harcourt on Wednesday issued an interlocutory injunction restraining the Martin Amewile-led House of Assembly from further sitting and parading themselves as members of the state legislature. Justice C.N. Wiley granted the order in a suit filed by the faction of the Assembly loyal to the governor, Siminalayi Fubara. The Rivers Assembly became factionalized last October when the cordial relationship between Fubara and his predecessor and political godfather, Nyesom Wike, broke down. While Amewile leads 24 lawmakers loyal to Wike, Victor Okojumbo emerged to say as the speaker of the faction loyal to Fubara. Amid the crisis between Wike and Fubara, the pro-Wike lawmakers defected from the People's Democratic Party to the opposition, the All Progressives Congress. However, the People Democratic Party, PDP, on whose platform they were elected, approached the court, seeking an order declaring their seats vacant. On Thursday, the Rivers APC filmed that a court order restraining the pro-Wike lawmakers from further sitting. The Rivers State government, however, welcomed the development. The Commissioner for Information and Communication, Joseph Johnson, said, "The law has spoken, and once the law speaks, rascality must cease." But the Publicity Secretary of the Rivers All Progressive Congress APC, Chibike Ikenga, alleged judicial compromise and executive interference. The injunction, which restrained the 25 lawmakers from holding legislative activities, followed a similar ex parte order on May 10th. In the latest ruling, Justice Wiley restrained the 25 pro-Wike lawmakers from parading and holding out themselves as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly and or sitting at the auditorium of the House of Assembly quarters located at off Aba Road, Port Harcourt, or at any other place whatsoever to purport to carry out the legislative business of the Rivers State House of Assembly, their legislative seats having been declared vacant, pending the hearing and determination of the substantive suit. The judge also restrained Fubara and the Rivers State Attorney General, who were joined in the suit as the 26th and 28th defendants respectively, from dealing with, interfacing, accepting any resolution, bills, and or however interacting with the 1st to 25th defendants in their purported capacities as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. The legislative seats have been declared vacant with effect from December 13th, 2023, pending hearing and determination of the substantive suit. But the Rivers APC condemned the ruling. Its Publicity Secretary Ikenga said the party was not surprised, alleging that the executive was procuring pronouncement outside the law. He said, and I quote, "We do not know that there is an integrity question on Justice C.N. Wiley. We are not unaware that they have been compromised, particularly himself and a few others. They are pandering to the whims and caprices of the executive, who today is a paymaster represented by the governor. So, it is expected that they will continue on that trajectory by taking decisions outside the provisions of the law. They are doing so for pecuniary reasons, and we understand that. They have descended into the arena of politics, which is disturbing. They have nosedived integrity. They have compromised their positions of authority and behaving in an unholy manner," he said. Asked if he would advise the Amawile-led lawmakers to appeal the ruling, he said there was already a subsisting judgment by a federal high court. You will recall that there is a subsisting judgment of the federal high court by Justice Omotosho, which clearly stated at the House of Assembly that Honorable Martin Amewile Lead is legally constituted and that nobody, including the governor, should tamper with their existence. But they have jettisoned all that with executive rascality and have moved to procure other court pronouncement. Judgment is higher than an order, so Justice Omotosho's judgment far outweighs that of C.N. Wiley, who gave an interlocutory order, he added. However, the Rivers Information Commissioner Johnson held the ruling restraining the pro-Wike lawmakers. Johnson stated, "The court has made a pronouncement and they have no choice but to obey until the motion is heard. I heard the matter comes up sometime in July, so it is quite salutary. It will help us to give us some rest and we will have peace between now and July. When the matter starts in court, we will follow the proceedings. That is the law. Once the law speaks, Rascality will cease. The law has spoken. Okay, I love waiting they talk here. At least they will get some peace between now and July, because you know what I mean? They don't turn mosquito when they make noise. See, finish. They don't do waiting, they don't turn mosquito when they make noise. Where they do for their ear. You understand? You know, as mosquito, they do very annoying thing. So at least the ear go stop to the ear. Oh my goodness. Why wouldn't they be restrained when they are making caricature of themselves by filing a motion that they never decamped? They made the case easy for the judge and should remain so until the case is heard. Abi? The thing is, these people say, God, nobody dey advise them for us. I don't understand. Say they don't get family members. Fine, fine, fine. Somebody helped you, assisted you in making you the state. What am I even saying? If we dey talk, say we supposed to even acknowledge, say dem rig person in. No. Fine, the people of Rivers State, they chose you to be their lawmakers. You came in and you are fighting the governor. You self reason am, which type of fearless you drink? No, check am now. Which type of fearless you drink? Whether you like it or not, you see the way Tinubu dey stand tall. Now, so governors supposed to stand tall for their states. Yes, we have the judiciary and the legislative. But at the end of the day, you still recognize the governor as the chief executive. You understand? There are some things, you know, if you not talk something, if you no agree, you not agree with that. You not get? I watch this mature men called lawbreakers behaving like people will be rich by week. I did tell you. That's what I'm saying. Shall not get people for house. Make somebody, okay, fine. Even if we say, okay, the person suggests you or refer you for work, the person go call the cop, or what's it called? They do you like, say, they remote you up and down. Full-blooded men will be both men and grandfathers. Fathers and grandfathers, they behave like, say, they don't get mind of their own. It is very shameful. Very. Small time, people will seek for Mr. President's intervention. Now, we are jumping up and down. When these lawmakers will start, we start to do the function. What do you mean by we are jumping up and down? Ikenga is a confused person. Justice Wali is in line with the Nigerian Constitution as amended. And since Wali could not be poked, you call it executive rascality. The judge did the right justice. You should know what the Constitution says about the issue. Just stop exposing your narrow brain. I know, they know. The thing be say, it is very difficult for you. It is very shameful that you know and you know say you know, or you dey behave like Ode and you know say you behave like Ode, because you are going to be sounding very foolish, and to you are speaking what is making sense. Alright, on this note, we have come to the end of the news. So thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.